I'm Gabriel Silva Gil, an industrial engineering student from Mexico. I'm really motivated to participate in Huawei Seeds for the Future program because of how strongly I align with the values of the program. I really admire how Huawei is using technology and sustainability to drive innovation forward. And not only that, but it's using international collaboration to solve real world problems. I'm really passionate about technology, and it has shown since I was a child when I was curious about electronic devices, and nowadays when I repair devices as an income stream. In high school, I chose to study the technical career of programming, where I had the opportunity to do an internship as an IT technician in Simvestab, where I consolidated my technical skills. In my career, industrial engineering, I have enriched my education by participating in research projects. Then I presented results at the 8th Mathematics Colloquium, and thanks to my performance, I was awarded the BAFI Scholarship. I want to keep learning, and nowadays I'm developing an accessible 3D scanner as part of my social service, and I've joined a student team that's designing an electric single-seater race vehicle. Beyond technology, water conservation, nonviolence, and equal opportunities have always been priorities for me. That's why, since childhood, I have been committed to social and environmental causes. Recently, I participated as an international volunteer in Serbia, collaborated in environmental and community projects, and I'm currently member of the Youth Network for Environmental Education of Guanajuato. More recently, I was elected for the leadership training program in entrepreneurship at the University of Waterloo in Canada. There, I developed a project focused on the SDG 6, clean water and sanitization, and pitched it to international mentors. These experiences have taught me the value of sharing experiences to grow together, the great power of teamwork, and reaffirm my desire of using technology as a tool for social transformation. Inspired by these experiences, I am currently developing Aquasense, a project designed to address one of Mexico's most urgent challenges, the water crisis. Millions of people live without reliable access to clean water, while in many urban areas there is significant overconsumption. Aquasense is a smart water management system that digitalizes household water use through IoT sensors and machine learning. Sensors installed at the main inlet and key water points send real-time data to the Aquasense app, which analyzes consumption, detects leaks, and allows users to track and compare their usage. Its virtual assistant Gotita offers personalized recommendations, reminders, and gamified challenges to promote sustainable habits. The impact of Aquasense is triple. Economically, households can save 30 to 50% on water bills by reducing waste and preventing leaks. Technologically, it introduces smart sensors, real-time connectivity, and artificial intelligence into homes. And socially, it contributes to equity in water access and supports the SDG 6, clean water and sanitization. The plan is to begin in Mexico City and then expand to other cities facing similar challenges. For me, Huawei Seeds for the Future represents everything that has motivated me since childhood: technology, innovation, and collaboration. By joining this program, I want to learn directly from Huawei experts about the latest technological trends and explore how to apply them to social projects like Aquasense. I also look forward to collaborate with young visionaries from all around the world, exchange experiences, and create solutions together that can make a difference. I believe technology should be more than just innovation. It should be a bridge towards equality and sustainability. That's why I want to bring my experience, my energy, and my ideas towards building real solutions that make a long lasting impact. Being selected to Huawei Seeds for the Future will not only be an honor, but also an opportunity to take action and become a true seed for a more inclusive and sustainable future. Thanks.